Once there was a wise old man named Ahmed who lived in a small village. Ahmed was known for his wisdom and deep faith in Allah. One day, a young man approached him, distressed and worried about his future. The young man said, "I work hard, but I never seem to get ahead. I feel like giving up." Ahmed smiled gently and invited the young man to sit. He handed him a glass of water and a spoon filled with salt. "Put this salt in the water and drink it," Ahmed instructed. The young man did as he was told, but immediately spat out the water. "How does it taste?" Ahmed asked. "Terrible," the young man replied, still grimacing. Ahmed then took the young man to a nearby lake. He handed him another spoonful of salt and asked him to put it in the lake. "Now, drink from the lake," he said. The young man took a sip of the lake water and smiled. "How does it taste?" Ahmed asked. "Fresh and clean," the young man replied. Ahmed looked at him with kindness. "The salt is like the trials and challenges in life. If you put them in a small container, like your glass, they will make everything taste bitter. But if you expand your perspective, like the lake, the same trials will seem insignificant. Trust in Allah, expand your faith, and your difficulties will feel lighter." The young man left with a renewed sense of hope, understanding that with faith and a broader perspective, life's challenges become manageable.